Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for February 17 to 23, 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo naka-resonate. And thank you sa mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. Okay, Scorpio. Let's see what's coming to you this week. Ancestor. So, maaring meron kayong kailangang harapin na may kinalaman sa mga ninuno ninyo, or ito yung mga pwedeng ancestral house, ancestral property, or pwedeng you are may aasikasuhin ka sa sa hometown ninyo. Some of you may kinalaman to sa mana na iniwan sa inyo ng lolo, lola nyo, or parents nyo. Meditation. Oh, yung iba sa inyo very spiritual, Scorpio, no? So, maaring you are, yung iba lang naman, no? Maaring meron kayong mga ginagawa na mga rituals para to connect with your ancestors, to ask for guidance, no? Yung iba naman, this is about aligning yourself, centering yourself, kasi maaring medyo naguguluhan kayo. Naguguluhan yung isip nyo sa mga decision making na gagawin nyo, or sa path na tatahakin ninyo. And it's going to be very helpful para sa inyo na bigyan ng kahit mga 5 minutes, 10 minutes meditation to clear your mind, kasi malaking tulong yan para makapag-isip kayo ng tama, makapag-isip kayo ng solusyon sa mga challenges na meron kayo ngayon, or mas maging madali para sa inyo na mag-take action sa mga goals ninyo. You also have the inner child, which is healing your inner child, healing your past or childhood trauma. Maaring meron kang ibibigay sa sarili mo na hindi mo na experience or natanggap, or wala ka no nung bata ka. So example na lang, no, si Michael V, kung kilala nyo siya. Meron siyang na-share noon na sabi niya kaya siya maraming collections ng mga laruan, mga mamahaling toy collections, is because nung bata siya, hindi siya nakaranas ng magkaroon ng mga mamahaling laruan, or yung mga laruan na gusto niya, kasi nga medyo kapos sila. And ngayon na nakakaluwag-luwag na siya at maganda na yung takbo ng career niya, ng trabaho niya, may ipon na siya. So, may kakayanan na siyang bumili noon. And ngayon, yun yung way niya to heal yung kanyang inner child. So, kanya-kanya tayo ng healing of inner child. And some of you may be tapping into your creative talents, no? Kasi yung child energy is very creative. Your overall energy is Judgment. So, this is rebirth, bagong ikaw. This is reinvention. So, maaring meron kang discovery, self-discovery na, ito pala, gusto ko pala tong gawin, or gusto ko pala tong i-explore. So, maaring there's a new path, may bagong path na i-explore ka this week, or starting this week, or maaring na-experience mo na yan. And maaring ring change ng mindset to, na meron kang naging realization about your life na you want to let go of that, kasi hindi na siya helpful para sa goals mo, yung mindset na yon. So you now have a new mindset na yun yung ginagawa mong guide towards achieving your goals. Your challenge is the Knight of Cups. Maaring if you are connecting with someone right now, maaring nagkakaroon ka ng trust issue sa person na to, or there is someone in your life na parang nahihirapan kang makipag-connect because you feel like this person is not telling you the truth, or maaring meron ka lang trust issues talaga. Oo. So, that is something that you have to work out or work on. Lalo na kasi siguro yung iba kasi may kinalaman pa yan sa past na nung bata ka, maaring, kahit hindi nung bata ka, pwedeng in your past experiences, meron isang tao na paulit-ulit mong pinagkakatiwalaan pero paulit-ulit ka ring niloloko. Diba? So, somehow, nagkaroon ka ng trauma sa sarili mo na kahit na sino pa yung makausap mo or maging malapit sa'yo, nahihirapan ka ng magtiwala kahit na totoo naman sila sa'yo. So, that is something that you need to heal within you. And then, your opportunity is the strength card, which is yung lakas, yung confidence mo sa sarili mo. This is also an opportunity na to strengthen your body. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring may mga gagawin kayong activities this week para lumakas ang inyong pangangatawan. And then, your blessing is the Page of Cups. So, as a blessing, no, pwedeng may baby sa bahay or sa family ninyo. Pwedeng baby mo yan or baby ng family member. But for some of you naman, this can be your creative talents and skills na ito yung mag-o-open ng bagong opportunity for you to attract abundance. Na meron kang ma-unlock na talents or skills or abilities na ito pala yung magbibigay sa'yo ng maraming blessings like prosperity, abundance, fulfillment, happiness. Very likely, may worries. Alam nyo, Scorpio, minsan yung too much worrying ninyo, hindi na ito nakakatulong kasi the more na nag-aalala ka, the more na nagkikreate ka ng pressure sa sarili mo na parang to resolve something, no, na ayusin ang isang bagay na hindi pa nag-e-exist kasi nag-aalala ka sa isang bagay na hindi pa nangyayari. So you have to let go of that para, I think yan yung kailangan mong i-heal ngayong week na to or moving forward, yung pag-aalala mo sa isang bagay na hindi naman talaga mangyayari. Okay, it's time, sabi rito, it's time for action. Yung inyong naalala ko yung mga nag-o-offer ng mga noon, yung mga networking, sasabihin nila, ano yung deep why, no? So, ano ba yung reason mo kung bakit gusto mong maging successful? So, I think yan yung magiging passion mo ngayon. Yan yung magiging drive mo para ma-achieve mo yung goals mo. Bakit gusto mong maging successful? And it's time to take action towards your goals and dreams. Merong graceful transformation dito. Soften your heart and find your flow. So, transformation is about change, endings, new beginnings. So, I think you will, itong transformation, itong pagbabago na to na pagdadaanan mo, tatanggapin mo yan ng buong buo. And may kita mo rito yung pagbabago sa sarili mo kasi ikaw mismo, sa'yo mismo manggagaling yung change na yan, yung transformation na yan. So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much and see you again.